Hi and welcome to Holsey Design. I am Erica Holsey and today I am going to show you a little tutorial and some tips on how to wrap pictures around your mug. So with the holidays coming up, this would be something super simple and easy, and I'm going to walk you through the steps. And if you see something you like, please feel free to go to our website at www.hdesigngrp.com and get in contact with me. We can get you some of these things printed up. Don't forget to subscribe, because as we get closer to the holidays, we're going to be presenting more tips and more tricks and more tutorials and more hacks for you, design hacks. And so I really love that, especially with fall creeping among us. If you're a latte drinker, if you are a coffee drinker, if you just like hot beverages and you're looking for some ideas for families, I think this will be great. So let's just get started. Start with my adorable granddaughter. We're going to put her on a mug. She's a little bit bigger than this now, but this is a picture of her when she was just about a month old. So we're going to get this picture, we're going to turn it into a PNG, and then we're going to upload it into our Cricut mat area, and we're going to get this cut out. We're going to get it printed and then cut it out and then placed on our mug. So let's get started. We're going to go up here to File, we're going to go to Export, and I like to go to Export for Screen, and here I can kind of give it a name. Nana's Sugar. And over here I can see that it needs to be on the PNG, and for the sake of this tutorial I'm going to change the file in which I want this to land in, and I'm just going to go for desktop. And we're going to choose it and export. Okay, so now our image is there. It has saved successfully. Okay, now we want to upload our image so we can place it on the mat, size it, and get it printed out. So we're going to go to New Project. And then we're going to upload our new project. So here it is. I've already uploaded it and brought it on in, and we want to insert it. Now, as you can see, when you see this little triangle, it means that the image is too big, and so we need to size it. So it's too big anyway for the mug. It's 15 by 10. So we want to bring this down to probably about 5 to 3, and that should be a good length. Now, if you want to stretch it just a little bit, you can unlock it, but I don't recommend stretching it too much because you don't want to distort the image. So just a hair, and then now we're going to put it in the corner, and we're ready to try it out and make it and put it on a mug. So we're going to hit Make. All right, for this particular image, we don't want to mirror it, so do not click mirror. We're not putting it on backwards. It's not an iron-on. It's nothing like that. So we're going to leave it just like this. We're going to go to Continue, and because this needs to be printed on the paper that we're going to be cutting out, we need to send to the printer. So when you see your printer here, we don't need bleeds, but we do need to dialogue with the system because we need to change what type of paper we're going to be printing on. Okay, so here we want to go to Quality Media, and see, this is photo paper. We're not using photo paper, so we want to change the paper, and we want to go to a matte photo paper, and we are ready to print. So we're going to hit Print. Now, one of the things I like to mention is, as you can see, my printer is pretty big because I print photography photos as well. But make sure that you use a don't use a laser jet printer. Make sure you use an inkjet printer, okay? It'll say mostly on the packages that you pick for your paper what kind of printer you need to use. So make sure you have an inkjet printer. You don't need a laser printer for this particular exercise. All right, there's our image. Now that we have our image printed out, as you can see on the paper, we're going to put it on our Cricut mat. Always keep the plastic on it because this thing will get very gooky if you don't. For sure, it'll get very, very gooky. So you want to make sure that you put it on the mat. And I usually like to put mine a little bit over the letters just because it has to read it. And I want to make sure it cuts efficiently. There we go. All right. So now that we have our image on here, looks great and she's so cute. We're gonna move over and we're gonna get our Cricut machine going to print. We have our image printed. I was doing a previous project and I had an iron on. So we wanna make sure we change that to special paper, okay? So it already has my sticky paper and that's the paper we're gonna use, but I'm gonna just show you where you could browse material because they have lots of other papers. So if you're doing a different kind of project, you need to calibrate your Cricut machine to fit the paper that you're using. So here you can go and you can find different types of iron-on, foil, if you're doing something leather. Ours is a paper project, so that is where we're going to stick with our paper here. And as you can see, they have different types of paper. So we're not using printer paper. We're gonna stick with our sticker paper, all right? We're gonna hit done. Now it is time to get our machine going. The light's blinking, so it's ready. Now the Cricut has finished cutting our image, and you always want to turn it over and peel the mat away from the paper. All right. Oh my goodness, this is so cute. I just love her. All right, and so here it is, our image. It's peeling off. And now we want to take our mug and wherever we want to start this. So if we want to start it right about here, you can take it and lay it on there. Look at that. Now we have our image on the mug. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, as well as leave us a comment below. And just know that we are here for you to show you tricks and other things that you can do yourself to be able to make great little finds and gifts that you can make for your family. Or you can also contact us at www.hdesigngrp.com. Thank you so much and have a great day.